Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that might just spice up your perspective on health and nutrition: the unexpected anti-inflammatory benefits of spicy foods. It's truly surprising to learn that those fiery flavors you love not only tantalize your taste buds, but also pack a powerful punch for your overall health. In recent years, research has unveiled a treasure trove of unexpected health benefits of spicy foods, particularly those containing chili peppers. These vibrant ingredients are rich in capsaicin, the compound responsible for their heat, which has been shown to have remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating spicy foods into your diet could help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. But wait, there's more. The idea that spicy foods are merely a culinary delight is being challenged by science, and you, our audience, are at the forefront of this revolution. Many people shy away from spicy dishes, fearing digestive discomfort or believing they're unhealthy. However, today's video will guide you through the fascinating research that flips these conventional dietary beliefs on their head. We'll explore how spicy foods can enhance your meals and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. So, if you're curious about how adding heat to your plate can yield significant health benefits, stick around. We'll uncover the science behind these spicy superfoods and share tips on incorporating them into your daily diet. Get ready to ignite your passion for spicy foods and discover a new way to think about your meals. One compound stands out when we talk about the health benefits of spicy foods: capsaicin. This active ingredient gives chili peppers their characteristic heat, but it's also the key player in their anti-inflammatory properties. Capsaicin interacts with the body in fascinating ways, particularly regarding reducing inflammation. Research has shown that capsaicin can inhibit the production of certain inflammatory substances in the body, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. These compounds are often involved in the inflammatory response and can lead to chronic conditions if left unchecked. By blocking their production, capsaicin helps to mitigate inflammation, making it a valuable ally in the fight against diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Several scientific studies have supported these claims. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who regularly consume spicy foods had lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood than those who avoided them. Another study in the journal Pain demonstrated that capsaicin could significantly reduce pain and inflammation in patients with osteoarthritis. These findings highlight the potential of spicy foods to not only enhance flavor, but also promote better health. So, how does capsaicin work its magic? When consumed, it binds to receptors in the body that are responsible for sensing heat and pain. This interaction triggers a cascade of biochemical responses that ultimately lead to a reduction in inflammation. By understanding these mechanisms, we can appreciate how incorporating spicy foods into our diets can be a delicious way to support our health and well-being. As we continue to explore the benefits of spicy foods, it's clear that they offer more than just a kick to our meals. They may also play a crucial role in maintaining our health. Many people hold misconceptions about spicy foods that can deter them from enjoying these flavorful ingredients. One prevalent myth is that spicy foods cause digestive issues, such as heartburn or stomach ulcers. While some individuals may experience discomfort after consuming spicy dishes, it's important to note that tolerance to spice varies from person to person. Research indicates that moderate spice consumption does not lead to these problems for most people. Some studies suggest that capsaicin may even promote digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. Another common belief is that spicy foods can exacerbate inflammation. This notion seems counterintuitive, especially when considering the growing body of evidence supporting the anti-inflammatory properties of capsaicin. Research has shown that rather than increasing inflammation, spicy foods can help reduce it. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who regularly consume spicy foods had lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood than those who avoided them. This evidence challenges the idea that spicy foods are detrimental to health. Moreover, many people assume that spicy foods are only for those with a high tolerance for heat. However, there are various ways to incorporate spices into your diet without overwhelming your palate. From mild peppers like bell peppers and banana peppers to flavorful spices like paprika, cumin, and turmeric, plenty of options can enhance your meals while still providing health benefits. As we explore the world of spicy foods, we must rethink these conventional beliefs. Embracing spice in your diet can add excitement to your meals and contribute positively to your health. So, the next time you reach for that hot sauce or sprinkle some chili flakes on your dish, remember that you're not just adding flavor, but also doing your body a favor. Spicy foods are not just a culinary delight. They also have impressive health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. One of the most notable advantages is improved metabolism. Capsaicin, the active compound in chili peppers, has been shown to boost metabolic rate, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or improve their fitness levels. In addition to metabolism, spicy foods are known for their pain-relieving properties. Capsaicin has been used in topical creams for conditions like arthritis and neuropathic pain, as it can help reduce pain signals sent to the brain. A study published in Pain found that patients using capsaicin cream experienced significant pain relief, showcasing its effectiveness in managing chronic pain conditions. Moreover, spicy foods can enhance overall well-being by promoting heart health. Research indicates that regular consumption of spicy foods may lower the risk of heart disease by improving circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. A study in the British Medical Journal even suggested that individuals who consume spicy foods several times a week have a lower risk of dying from heart-related issues. To illustrate these benefits, consider the case of Sarah, a 35-year-old who struggled with weight management. After incorporating more spicy foods into her diet, she noticed increased energy levels and decreased cravings for unhealthy snacks. Similarly, John, a 50-year-old with arthritis, found that using capsaicin cream significantly reduced his joint pain, allowing him to enjoy activities he once avoided. In summary, the health benefits of spicy foods extend far beyond flavor. From boosting metabolism and providing pain relief to promoting heart health, these vibrant ingredients can enhance your overall well-being. So why not spice up your meals and reap the rewards? Incorporating spicy foods into your diet. Adding spicy foods to your diet can be a fun and flavorful journey that not only enhances your meals but also boosts your health. Here are some practical tips to help you incorporate more spice into your everyday cooking. Start with simple recipes that feature spicy ingredients. For instance, try making a spicy stir-fry by sautéing your favorite vegetables and protein with a splash of soy sauce and a teaspoon of chili paste or sriracha. You can also whip up a zesty salsa by combining diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapenos for a fresh topping on tacos or grilled chicken. Another easy option is to add crushed red pepper flakes to your pasta dishes or sprinkle them on pizza for an extra kick. If you're new to spicy foods, it's wise to gradually increase the spice levels in your meals. Start with milder peppers, such as poblano or banana peppers, and slowly work your way up to hotter varieties, like jalapenos or habaneros. This approach adjusts your palate and helps you build tolerance without overwhelming your taste buds. You might even find that you enjoy the heat more than you expected. Don't hesitate to experiment with different cuisines that celebrate spice. Mexican, Thai, Indian, and Sichuan cuisines are known for their bold flavors and use of spicy ingredients. Try making a Thai green curry with coconut milk and green curry paste, or enjoy a spicy Indian chickpea dish called chana masala. Exploring these diverse culinary traditions can open up a world of flavors and inspire you to incorporate more spice into your cooking. In summary, incorporating spicy foods into your diet can be enjoyable and beneficial. With easy recipes, a gradual approach to spice levels, and a willingness to explore various cuisines, you'll soon find yourself savoring the delightful heat spicy foods offer. So grab those chili peppers and get cooking. As we wrap up our exploration of the anti-inflammatory benefits of spicy foods, let's recap the key points we've discussed. Spicy foods, particularly those containing capsaicin, offer a range of health benefits, including improved metabolism, pain relief, and enhanced heart health. These vibrant ingredients can significantly reduce inflammation, which is crucial for preventing chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. We've also highlighted the importance of challenging conventional dietary norms. Many people shy away from spicy foods due to misconceptions about their effects on health. However, as we've seen, incorporating spice into your meals can be beneficial. By embracing these flavorful ingredients, you can elevate your culinary experience and take proactive steps toward better health. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating more spicy foods into your diet? What are your favorite spicy recipes? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others to explore the world of spice. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on health and nutrition. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who are interested in the benefits of spicy foods. Together, we can spread the word about how delicious and health-promoting these ingredients can be. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.